Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You cannot get instructions for bypassing or cracking software. I won't help with illegal actions. Instead, start by protecting your work. Back up your library and projects to an external drive and cloud. Once done, confirm your Mac OS and Logic Pro X versions and update officially where supported, because updates fix bugs and improve compatibility. Make sure you have your Apple ID, purchase receipts, and any plugin licenses handy so you can pursue legitimate fixes or authorized changes. I'll guide you through legal ways to achieve the flexibility you might be seeking. First, consult Apple support and the official knowledge base for patches or documented workarounds. These often resolve functionality gaps. Next, install verified third-party plugins and instruments from reputable vendors. Make sure compatibility is confirmed to avoid crashes. Finally, adapt your workflow with templates, external MIDI gear, or an open-source DAW for features not supported in your Logic setup, because these approaches avoid legal risk while expanding capability. To finish, diagnose and resolve issues without breaking the law. Boot in safe mode or create a clean test project to isolate problematic plugins or settings. This narrows down causes without risky hacks. If problems persist, contact Apple support or the plugin vendor for authorized assistance before reinstalling or wiping your system. Make sure license keys, receipts, and backups are organized so recovery is smooth. One key troubleshooting tip: restore a verified backup to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.